Hey, this is Art. Welcome back to the 5-day challenge. This is day 3. I hope you already finished the tasks from day 1 and 2. If you didn't, please pause this video, go back to day 1 and day 2. Right now, you should already know what kind of gigs you want to be delivering to people, and also you should have your account open. Okay, so these are the 2 steps you should have already fulfilled before watching this video. And in this video, what we're gonna do is we will actually find a gig that we want to mirror. Okay, so the number 1 way to being successful in Fiverr is to find a successful gig, a gig that is already selling in a similar niche, or a gig that is sort of similar to what we want to do, what we want to be selling, and just mirror it. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go with a YouTube thumbnail, okay, because this is the kind of gigs that I can be delivering. So I found this gig right here. As you can see, I will design 3 YouTube thumbnails in 24 hours. We have 3 different prices right here. So for $10 we have 3 thumbnails, for $20 we have 10, and for 25 YouTube thumbnails for $40. So your task right here is to find a gig like this. So whatever the niche is, the niche that you picked for delivering the gigs, whatever the category and subcategory is, just find that gig that you want to be mirroring. It has to be a successful gig, so obviously it has to have preferably a few hundred 5-star reviews. If they have orders in queues, that is always a good sign. And sort of find gigs that are standing out. This one definitely stands out. It has these bright colors. This guy is selling hundreds of these gigs, and just see what this person is doing and try to mirror it. Okay, so just go through all of the recent deliveries, go through all of this. You can just copy all of this and just rewrite it in your own words. Don't copy and paste it exactly as is, but you can copy this as is. So your task for day 3 is just to find this gig. Don't start a gig just yet. Just find this gig that you want to mirror. Find a gig that makes a ton of money, and tomorrow we will see how you can first of all create a similar gig, and then how you can make it better to actually start making sales. Okay, so this is your day 3 task. Find a gig that you can mirror, that you can copy, that you can emulate, and tomorrow we will be starting your gig. But for now, just please find that gig, and I will be seeing you tomorrow on day 4. Ciao. And a super simple update or a reminder, the 5-day challenge will be held inside of my Art of Marketing Academy Facebook group. Okay, so if you are inside the group already, if you have any questions or if you want me to answer anything, just comment on the post with the daily challenge. Okay, so this will be the first post that you will see every single day, and I will also do a Facebook live video every single day answering your questions. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave a comment under the daily challenge video. If you are on YouTube, please go to the Facebook group to ask questions. If you received a ManyChat message or an email, again, please go to the Facebook group. Please leave me your questions. Please leave me your comments, because I will be doing a Facebook Live every single day answering your questions and making sure that you are still in the loop, that all of your questions are answered, and I'm just here for you, and I will help you out with anything you need. So again, you should already have the link to my Art of Marketing Academy Facebook group. If you don't, just do a quick Facebook search and you should be seeing this group right here. Ask me questions, I will answer during the daily Facebook lives, and can't wait to hear your questions. All right, peace out.